Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanessa if you guys are new here. Hi. Today is Tuesday. I just recently got back from Rhode Island and I was just in my house and it's around 7:50 right now. I was just in my house and I was thinking to myself that like when I get back from a trip, I'm like so unorganized, and that like feeling of being overwhelmed kind of sucks. So I thought I would maybe pick up the camera and just show you guys how to reorganize yourself, how to not put stuff off. I know before, like, you know, in my life around like a year ago even, or like I don't know, even like a couple months ago, I would come back and not unpack my bags for like weeks or like days, as like bad as that is. I'm not sure if anybody can relate to that, but it's kind of like a shitty feeling. So I thought that maybe I could just kind of film something like that along the lines of just, I don't know, cleaning. Like a couple things I have to do. I just have to like unpack my bag, like go to the car wash. We drove my car to the beach, so there's sand everywhere. I need to vacuum my car, I need to get gas, grocery shop, like all stuff like that. Starting my day off with lemon water, and yeah, I'm actually on my way to the gym right now. I have like a whole new morning routine thing. I've recently changed up my entire morning routine, and if you guys want a video on that, comment down below. But yeah, I hope you guys are having a great morning or a day wherever you are and you enjoy this video. Okay, so it's much later now. I actually just got back from, so I just worked out and then I just got back from the gym, and now I want to clean my room. I have so much stuff to go through. I will show you guys all the clothes that I have in a second, but I think that's what I'm going to do. It's like 11:30 right now, and I'm going to try and get all of that done before like 12:30 because my friend asked me to go to the pool, so I want to get all of that done though before, so I feel a little bit more like productive. But I'll just like show you guys what I'm working with. I don't want this to be like a super long video. I just kind of want to like help motivate some people. But yeah, this is basically just like a pile of the clothes that I need to sort out. This is just like everything I brought, and yeah, so I think that's just like what I'm gonna do right now. I'm just like going through what's clean and what's dirty. Just like make a pile of the two and separate them. I feel like that's the easiest way to kind of organize yourself, like right when you get back from a trip. Just like go through your bag right away. I got back yesterday and kind of just go through like what you wore and what you didn't. That's also a good way to help if you aren't sure how to pack for something that you're going to, or like what you like wear the most and like what you don't, and then kind of like base it off of that. I feel like that's like a huge tip of something that like I take from when I go on, you know, like mini trips or stuff like that. I noticed that I wear most like comfortable clothes. I brought like 2 pairs of jeans, and I literally didn't wear them, so okay, so I basically just put all my clothes that I didn't wear, which is kind of sad because why would I have to pack all of this? But and then this is the stuff that like is dirty that I'm gonna just put into my laundry. And yeah, I'm gonna start just by like putting all of these back like into my drawers and into place so that I can just like feel that much better about myself. Just made some lunch, made a salad, and then I have some pita bread with it, and just drinking a huge water. It's like, what time is it? 1:34 right now, and I am just taking a little break, and then I'm gonna go clean my car and get all of that stuff done. best feeling. I love getting car wash. It's like, time is at 6:30 right now. Oh my god, they're doing this. And I'm just heading to my house to eat dinner. My grandma's coming over, so that'll be nice. I hope you guys can hear me. I don't know if you can. But I just had a really productive day today. Hope it motivated you guys to kind of get up and get your life back on track if it wasn't. And yeah.
Vanessa.
So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I just wanted to do a little reorganizing type of like the style video. It is now like 9:30 at night. I'm exhausted. I'm gonna go straight to bed, and yeah, I thought I would just show you guys a little bit of what like a day kind of looks like for me when I'm kind of just like trying to get back into a routine, into a schedule. So this was kind of just the best I could do today, and then I'm just gonna try and pick up from that tomorrow. And the weather's supposed to be really nice, which always puts me in a good mood. So hopefully you guys are all doing well and staying healthy. Mental health is so important, and it's really important to put yourself first in situations if that's something that you're lacking. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.